So we are featuring the funniest comments from our channels this week. So Zaid Darbar, Gauhar Khan's husband, he wore these flared pants and he came for this event.
Yeah.
So somebody's written on our comments, Gauhar ka dress पहन लिया क्या bro? So with the flared pants and all of
Unisex
that,
one,
yeah. So I think everybody else was trolling कि जोकर लग रहा है ये वो, but this was actually a witty comment. Other than that, we got some other very interesting comments. So one of them came from Rajkumar Rao's plastic surgery. Of
Oh my
course,
God, that
he's become like a
photograph.
national meme. But somebody wrote he should demand the payment back from his surgeon, which I found really funny because.
So I'll give you a little churan on this. A little birdie apparently mentioned that this was more of like a PR stunt so that he's more in the public eye. Otherwise,
Because he has two releases coming out.
Right, his upcoming film Shrikant.
Oh, that's good,
coming
Churan.
out, Yeah.
Interesting. Then, of course, there's Urfi Javed. Her outfits always make people talk. I think
Yeah.
that's the whole point of it. So she wore this really nice big blue dress, and somebody actually wrote in our comments कि अरे लगता है tent पहन के आ गई.
They
So it
also
was actually-
commented with a tent emoji.
Yeah,
right?
with a little tent emoji, and when you look at it, you're like, oh yeah, that's actually true.
It checks out.
Yeah. Among other news, there was big news on SRK this week. So he is going to be sharing screen space with Suhana Khan in his upcoming film The King. It's tentatively named that. It's a 200 crore rupee film, and he is going to be seen playing a Don again. Siddharth Anand and Sujoy Ghosh, I hear, have been working on the film, and I think it will be really cool to see the father-daughter duo share screen space again.
Yes.
And SRK recently was in the news for the whole Mohanlal thing. So Mohanlal actually danced at an award ceremony on Zinda Banda, and he took to Instagram, totally fanboying, saying that Mohanlal sir, you're the OG Zinda Banda and all of that. It was so cute between the two superstars that they share such
banter,
camaraderie,
Right, that makes sense. Also about Ranveer Singh, we all know that his deepfake video was released, right, where he was criticizing the government. He has filed an FIR related to that.
Yeah, there are so many now. Today there's a
yeah.
news come of Allu Arjun that there was a deep fake of him, promoting the Congress campaign now. I don't know whether it's real or fake, but Allu Arjun has been added to the list of deep fake stories.
Yeah, I mean this deepfake thing is really scary, huh? Like it could hit anyone at any point of time. And also SLB, Sanjay Leela Bhansali's Heera Mandi. It's all set to release on the 1st of May on Netflix.
I'm really excited for this one. You remember how gorgeous the sets were looking in the trailer?
Yeah.
Did you check it out?
Even all the actresses, oh my god, they look so lovely.
Beautiful, yeah. Heera Mandi apparently is an actual city in Lahore.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Wow. Nice tip to have learned.
Exactly.
Yeah.
It was, and they were courtesans. Huh? There was no prostitution back then.
Right.
And in fact, we did an exclusive interview. Did you know about that?
Yes, with Manisha Koirala. I was just coming to that.
Yeah.
So, Manisha Koirala actually thought she was a forgotten star when she was called to play
Mallika
Jan. Yeah. When she was called to play Mallika Jan, she actually thought she was a forgotten star, but
nobody can forget you, Manisha.
Absolutely not. But do check out her exclusive with HT.
Yeah, we're going to be sharing the links in the description below and at the end of this episode, so do check it out. So, Ulaj trailer released last week, and Janhvi Kapoor is looking very, very different, very unique in it. She's playing an IFS officer from a patriotic family. It's giving me total Razi vibes. I think it's from the makers of Razi also.
Okay.
And it's about this IFS officer who is abroad, she's away from home, and she gets caught up in a dangerous conspiracy. So I'm really excited to see it. It's supposed to be releasing this July. Let's see. I think Janhvi Kapoor is trying to be taken more seriously as an actor, and this teaser of Ulaj is definitely, showing that.
Right, her range and acting
As an actor,
basically,
exactly.
As an actor.
Yeah,
That's
yeah.
nice. That's nice.
Yeah.
Speaking of which, he also has Mr. and Mrs. Mahi coming up. This one's with Rajkumar Rao.
Our favorite, like he's become a
Yeah.
national meme.
Absolutely, and you must have, of course, seen him promoting the movie Shrikant along with Amir Khan. Amir Khan's the producer, right?
Yeah,
for
Amir
the
Khan and
film.
Udit Narayan were there, and
Yeah.
he did a rendition of Papa Ke
Yeah,
Hai.
it was
really cool.
really nostalgic, even that
Yeah.
it took us back to those times.
Absolutely. I don't know if it took you back to those times because
I
you
mean,
were barely born.
when I watched the movie, it took me back to that time. So
Okay.
nostalgia. So,
I understand now what you mean. No, so Rajkumar Rao, as I said, he's become a national meme, and every time you look anywhere, it says, I got fillers, I got fillers, I got fillers everywhere. मतलब जहाँ पे देखो, it's like he's got filler. बेचारा छोड़ दो यार उसको, like he's a boy next door type of person. He's a good actor. Let him live. I felt really garib when I saw Shahid Kapoor's travel itinerary. Did you see that?
Oh yeah, I did happen to see it.
I was like, what is this man in a span of like 10 days or 15 days or something? He's going from Tokyo to Sydney to Manhattan, and he's living everywhere. He's living in like 5-star hotels or Intercontinental में रह रहा है. And ऊपर से उसमें लिखा है कि don't worry about the bookings, my friend will take care of the bookings. So I'm like, Shahid, tell us, कौन friend है ये? Can we make friends with him?
Exactly. I think his wife also shared a story saying that when are you going to make me meet this friend?
I know, wife को तो पता ही होना चाहिए.
Of course. But what is the Shahid अकेले international trips?
Wife को तो लेके जाना चाहिए ना. Come on, Meera, give us the churran.
Who is that friend? Also, Aarti Singh had her bridal shower. She's going to be marrying Deepak Chauhan. There was Krishna Abhishek also at the
That's her
event.
brother, right?
That's her brother, yeah. Govinda's niece and nephew.
Yeah.
But some videos went really viral, like the ones where Krishna Abhishek and she were partying together. And Krishna's wife Kashmira also showcased some amazing dance moves. You must have seen her
Yeah,
dance,
all of the
right?
videos are really going out there. But we didn't see Govinda anywhere.
Where is Govinda?
कहाँ है वो? कहाँ है वो?
कहाँ है वो? जरा
ढूंढ के लाओ गोविंदा को. अगले आरती सिंह के वेडिंग में गोविंदा should be there, guys. Ask the questions. India wants to know.
Absolutely, but also a little bit of like masala gossip here. The exes Paras Sharma and Mahira Sharma from the fame of Big Boss, Boss 13.
Yeah.
So they're exes, right? They ignored each other flat out at the event. Yes, it was
I know.
cold
I heard
vibes
about
there.
it. Yeah, it was. They are contestants of Big Boss 13, and I think they started seeing each other on the show or something.
Right, yes.
But now they're not together anymore.
Yeah, it's like Mumbai ke garmi mein bhi they gave such chilly vibes to us by ignoring each other.
Maybe we need one of those over here for chill vibes.
Yes, once a week. So you were speaking about travel goals, right? About Shahid.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
I think the same things happened with Priyanka Chopra as well. She was in Switzerland, and oh my God, such lovely pictures of her have come up on the internet.
Yeah.
And-
She shared those. It was really like I would love to go there.
Yeah, and I love the way her hair also looks. It's so aesthetic. The entire picture together, actually.
Yeah.
And also Shraddha Kapoor's pictures from the hills where she's vacationing.
Yeah,
have
she
gone
was with little
viral.
dogs and all of that in
Yeah.
the pictures. It was so cute. I loved it.
Yeah.
But guys, like it's summertime. You're really making us jealous. We are really hoping for some real good travel plans. Like
Right,
that,
yeah, because
travel
they're giving
goals.
us like major travel goals.
Seriously. So we have picked 5 top OTT releases that you can binge watch this weekend. There are films, there are series. Check it out. The first one is Dil Dosti Dilemma. It's releasing on 25th April on Prime Video. It stars Anushka Sen as Asmara, and it's really a story about self-discovery where she's punished and she's sent to this very conservative traditional home of her grandparents.
Okay.
And obviously she doesn't want to be there and she doesn't want her friends to know that she's there, so she pretends that she's in Canada. But because of her struggles and all of that, she learns a lot of new life lessons. So I think this would be really, very relatable to a lot of young people, probably in their 20s and stuff around Anushka Sen's age. And it's something worth checking out.
Yeah, but I mean, I feel I would love to be at my grandparents' place at any given
She
point.
clearly doesn't like it, but I guess she begins to like it later. So if you want to check out a story about self-discovery, check out Prime Video on 25th April.
Also, there's Ranneeti, Balakot and Beyond. It stars Jimmy Shergill and Lara Dutta after a really long time. This is basically about the Balakot airstrikes post the horrific Pulwama attacks, and Kashyap and his team have to strike back at any cost. This is basically the storyline, and they need to retrieve their pilot who has been captured by Pakistan, and also battle all the false information that Pakistan is spreading via global media.
Oh, interesting tangle.
Yes, and it premieres on Jio Cinema on the 25th of April. So do check it out.
It's going to be interesting. We actually recently had a chat with Santosh Singh, the director of this series. Check it out.
नमस्कार, मेरा नाम संतोष सिंह है। मैं रणनीति बालाकोट और बियॉन्ड का डायरेक्टर हूँ। रणनीति एक जियोपॉलिटिकल एक्शन ड्रामा है जो रियल लाइफ इवेंट से इंस्पायर्ड है। इवेंट्स दोज डिफाइन इंडिया एज अ कंट्री दैट कैनॉट बी मेस्ड अराउंड। The USP of Raniti is that it focuses on the hybrid warfare, the war of narrative and the war of perception. Today, the wars are fought on internet through your social media, news and international news media. With the power-packed performances of Jimmy Shergill, Lara Dutta, Ashutosh Rana and Ashish Vidyarthi, let me tell you, you are in for a treat. Raniti is streaming on Jio Cinema. आप देखिएगा जरूर। मुझे पूरी उम्मीद है कि आपको ये पसंद आएगी। Thank you.
Thank you, good night. The Bon Jovi story is releasing on Disney Plus Hotstar on 26th of April. It is a 4-part docu-series about Bon Jovi's life. It's got actual images, music, clips from his shows and stuff like that. Rumi is really interested in this conversation. She was really into Bon Jovi like all the 90s kids. When we were growing up in the 90s, there was absolutely no chance that you don't have a strong nostalgia and connect with that song, It's My Life.
Correct. I think that video is like graphically etched in your mind.
Exactly.
Because it used to come on B4U, right? And as kids, we used to come back from school, and the only thing we used to do is switch the TV on and wait for that particular music video to play every time. Like,
it's a great story of the evolution and the birth of rock and roll, and the band's journey from New Jersey to global fame. And I think it's definitely going to be something worth checking out.
Absolutely. I think John Bon Jovi is love. Then there's Tillu Square that's coming out on the 25th of April on Netflix. It is basically a sequel to DJ Tillu, and it is a romantic crime comedy.
It's not Tillu, it's Tillu. Tillu, guys.
Tillu, okay.
DJ Tillu sounds too cool.
I mean, yeah, come on, like, let's make it sound a little cool. But it's a Telugu rom-com, which is also a crime drama. So
it's a romantic crime comedy.
Yeah, I mean,
there are 3 genres in
one. Sab ek mein packed hai, basically.
Yeah.
And it's how basically DJ Tillu is Bal Gangadhar Tilak. And take notes, guys. It's how he is on a quest to find the love of his life, Lily Joseph, but comes across a very mysterious sort of a murder. And it's actually played by Sidhu.
Oh,
yeah.
Interesting. The actor, the Telugu actor. Sidhu.
Yeah. Also, there's Crack, Jeetega to Jiega. It is releasing on the 25th of April on Disney Plus Hotstar.
Oh, the movie, it just came out in theatres a couple of months back.
Right, yes.
Okay.
And it stars Arjun Rampal, Amy Jackson and Nora Fatehi.
There's also Vidyut Jamwal in it. I think he's one of the important roles.
He's the highlight. But it's the first ever extreme sport action film to
I've heard it's a very different plot. Like, it's based on an extreme sports game or something like that.
Yeah.
And Jeetega to Jiega is the theme behind the movie.
Correct.
It didn't do very well in the theatres though, but maybe for OTT it's a good watch.
Right. It's about how they find out this boy from the slums of Mumbai wants to make it big, and then he gets introduced to the underground sports that happen.
Hold on, is this Slumdog Millionaire?
Or is this that movie called Luck?
Oh yeah, oh my god. देखना पड़ेगा अभी.
देख के बताइएगा आपको क्या लगा.
Yeah, if you watch Crack and if you're going to watch it this weekend, do tell us in the comments what you thought.
You might just get featured. Acha, I wanted to tell you something. So we all know, right, that there are rumors about Ananya and Aditya Roy Kapoor dating
course.
each other.
Yeah.
So now, basically,
They're not called rumors when they're almost confirmed, by the way.
yeah, but until it doesn't come from the horse's mouth, it's a rumor. Anyway, so Ananya's dad, Chunky Pandey, take a wild guess, like what he said.
Must have said, नहीं, मैं डॉन हूँ, तुम मेरी बेटी को डेट नहीं कर सकते, तुम्हें 2 करोड़ रुपए कमाने पड़ेंगे, which I'm sure Aditya Roy has.
I think much more than that.
Yeah.
But yeah, Chunky Pandey seemed to have blessed the relationship in terms of he's okay with whoever Ananya dates, and he feels she's capable of making her decisions.
Yeah.
Which is cool. Like he's a cool father.
She's a 25-year-old woman. I mean, she should be able to make her own decisions.
Absolutely, yeah.
No, so Ananya, she has not really come out with a relationship. But I think that everybody knows now, and they have made it pretty obvious, you know, commenting on each other's Instagram posts and going on holidays together and then posting the picture. So I wonder if she's going to do the same thing that Janhvi Kapoor did and, you know, one day wear a pendant saying Aditya
Yeah.
and come for an
Or
event.
ARK.
Yeah.
She has actually worn a T-shirt with his initials, yeah, embroidered
Yeah,
on it.
we
Yes.
need to look for that. Let's look for it.
Yeah.
Finally, it's movie review time. We're going to give you a 1-minute movie review about Do Aur Do Pyar today. So, Do Aur Do Pyar features Vidya Balan, Sendil Ramamurthy, who is so hot, Pratik Gandhi and Eliana D'Cruz. So, all of these great people, but the protagonists are Vidya Balan and Pratik Gandhi. It's had a pretty slow box office start. It started to grow, but it's not done very well at the box office. We saw a lot of public reactions, and what we learned was that most people are finding it decent but not extraordinary. While Vidya Balan and Pratik Gandhi's acting has been appreciated quite a lot, they're both obviously good actors, but the screenplay itself is not very, very good, and it's had a pretty slow growth at the box office. I think it's one of those movies which comes and releases in the theaters, but you end up watching it on OTT.
Okay.
But the great thing about the film is that it's very, very relatable. It's about long-term relationships and how complex modern love can get. So I think it's going to be worth a watch. Maybe if you're not watching it in theaters, check it out when it comes on OTT.
If you're enjoying what we're doing here, please do like, share and subscribe. Also comment and let us know what more content you would like to see.
We will see you next Friday. Bye-bye.
Bye.